Hey, Grandma, I'm gonna pick up a new lacrosse stick.
Joey, bingo was canceled, and I want to go with you. I still don't feel comfortable you driving in the big highways, bad and horrible highways all alone.
Grandma, I already did all the supervised hours we agreed to.
Yes, sweetheart, but it doesn't hurt to do more. Plus, I can learn about this new friend of yours. What's her name, Janice?
All right. Get in the car. Let's go.
It seems that Mr. Crash knew what he was talking about with this agreement. Joey is beginning to understand that he needs a lot more than 50 hours to know how to drive well. I think he respects that he needs more time at it.
Driving on high-speed roads is one of those things you need practice to feel comfortable at. I will tell you this though, everything is amplified at high speeds and you need plenty of room for sudden stops. So this is why you need to drive at a safe speed and a safe distance. Concentrate and drive carefully. And of course, stick to the agreement. Make sure you discuss driving on high-speed roads and of course, read the newsletter. And peace out.